y'all, this is Bronwyn with Big Sky Diamond Painting, and I am here for one more unboxing in my series of paintings that I purchased while I was on break from YouTube and from diamond painting, if we're being honest. So we're going to just jump right in. No point in making you wait. We're going to get this baby unwrapped, and then we will get started on getting it unboxed. Wow, my scissors are not cooperating. That's always fun. Okay, so this is the 11th by Mandy Manzano. It is a round with Aurora Borealis, 51 by 71 centimeters. As always, with the newer kits, you can tell it's round because the Diamond Art Club logo is in a round shape. Again, this is not true for the older kits, but all their newest ones have that, which I really appreciate. Kind of gives you a shorthand. And I think the more obvious they make it as to what shape the diamonds are, the better. Especially because I just had that confusion with Dreamer Designs, because to be perfectly honest, they did not make it super apparent that they were going to start carrying rounds unless you were like in their group, which I was, but I wasn't paying attention. And I feel like that's the kind of thing they should have had like a big announcement about. And in their website, they still have, as of filming, a note saying that they only carry squares. So, yeah. Anyway, back to Diamond Art Club, who has always had both and is just churning out the gorgeous Mandy Manzano. So this one released before the 10th, which I have already unboxed. And I bought it because I do like Doctor Who, even though this is not my favorite Doctor. He's great. But I really wanted the 11th. Or not, sorry, not the 11th, the 10th. But I thought, I'll get this one because it'll scratch the itch if they don't put that one out. Little did I know the following week they were going to release the 10th. So I probably could have saved myself some money. But I can give this one away when I finish it, or possibly before I finish it, to someone who is a fan and will want to do it. So, as is par for the course now, everything is all in one bag now within the box, and I have yet to be able to get this to peel up without breaking. So I think that might be like a permanent seal. Doesn't matter. Again, I throw these bags away. But even if you didn't, like, you could easily put it back in there. You just wouldn't be able to completely seal it back up. So let's unroll. The nice thing about putting it in that way is that I think, did they leave a kit out? No, it's just stuffed in here. Okay. Sometimes the kit gets stuck at the bottom from where you open the box. Okay. There we go. That was definitely a little bit weird. Okay. We're good. We're good, guys. We're good. As usual, step-by-step instructions. There's a code in there. If you're new, that'll be good for you. If you're not, don't worry about it. We have our sticker and inventory sheet that is also sticky, so you can use it on your containers, which is what I do. Just look at that. I really like this isn't my favorite Doctor, but I like the background of this one way better than the 10th. I like the shape, like the planets and stuff in the background. Okay, we have our kit which is just your regular round toolkit. You've got a squishy, you've got a pen, you've got your clear boat, you've got some baggies, you've got your 2 plates of wax. And I'm not seeing that there's actually a multi-placer in here, so give me a second. It's definitely supposed to have a multi-placer. I'm guessing that they had like a rash of kits that ended up going out without multi-placers. The kit contents say a multi-placer, but there is not one in here. That is okay though. Again, I have so many that I'm okay with it. But yeah, if you look at the kit contents, it's supposed to have a multi-placer. And they usually do. I'm guessing they just had a small hiccup in that because the other one that I got also did not have a multi-placer. So there you have it. Okay, so look at this. These Mandy Manzanos just lend themselves so well to conversion into diamond paintings, and they look so good. And I think this is going to turn out just incredible. Let's see, we have 2 ABs. We've got a white and a blue, just like the other one. I'm sure the blue is going to be, yup, all through this TARDIS background. Some here in the space area. And then the white we've got in the shirt, along the panes of glass here on the phone box. A little bit on his little curl of hair. So it's gonna be pretty nice, I think. Anyway, can't get this all in one shot, so we're just gonna do a slow pan down so you can see everything. I think this is going to be another nice mix of color blocking and color changing. Most Diamond Art Club paintings are a pretty good mix, which is one thing I will say that's nice about the hand charting, is that they tend to do a pretty good job of mixing things up so that it's going to be an enjoyable experience for people who like color blocking and people who like confetti, because there's a good mix of both of them. Okay, let's flip this bad boy over and let's get to some drills. Okay, so we have our accent colors. There's some nice ones in here. These are probably mostly in the little planets that have different colors on them. The rest of the picture's kind of very, very blue and tan and yellow, and of course black. We've got that nice blue. That's definitely part of the TARDIS. I have a Doctor Who winter coat that has a little embroidery of the TARDIS, and this is what color that coat is. It's really nice. We have some brown, some dark purple, more brown, more tan. Now we're into the peachy skin tones. It's probably a little bit on some skin somewhere. Dark, dark blue, dark, dark brown. There's our 141 AB. That's the iridescent white. Some more blue. Some more purple. Ah, yes, the dark 154. That's a really pretty blue. And another really pretty purple. Okay, now we've got our string of what's probably 310 and 820 something, that dark blue one. Make sure to do it this way. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 310s, and then 1, 2, 3 823s. And we've got a 797, 938, and then we've got our last AB, which is 136. We got plenty of these. Had to do a big bag for that one. And another one of those blue Aurora Borealis drills that I like so much. 136, 137, and 138 are probably like my 3 favorite colors of AB because they're just so... Blue just looks really good as an AB, I feel. So let's get a look here at the drill field. You can see how clear that is. Diamond Art Club have not had any problems ever with the clarity of the drill field. They have got that figured out. If you ever have a problem, take a picture and email them because it is almost certainly an isolated issue and they will want to know about it and they will make it right for you. But, you know, I've never ever had an issue with any symbol clarity on Diamond Art Club. Of course, also their glue is very sticky. Some people will have issues with stuff sliding around. That usually just means that the glue needs to cure a little bit more. So what you can do is you just pull the plastic back and leave it for an hour or so, preferably somewhere where it's not gonna get cat hair on it or dog hair or dust or anything, and that will help a little bit if your drills are sliding around too much. I typically don't have too much of an issue, but once in a while you will get a painting where, you know, they put the plastic down just a tad too fast and it's a little bit more slippy than others, and that usually works itself out over time while you're drilling. But if you're finding it too much, just, you know, leave the cover off a little bit. Anyway, I think that is about all I've got to say about this bad boy, which I'm looking forward to doing. I don't know who I'm going to make this for yet, but I think this is going to make a good gift for one of my nerdy friends, I think. So I am definitely going to add this to the list and make it at some point. I hope you guys liked my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. You can hit the bell for notifications. Please leave a comment if you finish this one. I want to see pictures. If you are going to work on this one, I want to hear about it. If you're working on this one, I would love to hear about that too. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys are doing well. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.